Do you want more referrals? Well, you could do what some people say, and you could go out and start asking all your clients for referrals, and then you feel scammy and cheesy and dirty and slimy and salesy, and nobody really wants to do that. Or you could have a predictable, data-proven way to generate referrals. Would you like to know, after we looked at 250 million data points, what the #1 way to generate referrals is? The most predictable and reliable way advisors can do this? It may surprise you. But quickly, before I tell you what it is, do this math. Take your client base and cut it in half. How many households is half your client base? You got that number in mind? Okay, now take that number and multiply it times 0.3. What is the point of this exercise? Well, data proves that your referrals are going to come from events. And here is the data. 57% of clients will attend an event. And if you do the event right, of that 57%, 34% of them will bring a friend. Wine tastings, golf outings, bowling events, whatever type of event you might like to have, and they can all be done. Pretty much anything can be an event. If you do it right, 57% of your clients will come, and 34% of those people will bring a guest. Now think about that. If you want to harvest those referrals from your client base, you need to start thinking about your event strategy. Want to know more about what works for generating referrals? Download our State of Digital report.